This is tax versus special assessment, an application for us to understand more about the concept of special assessment as differentiated from the concept of the tax. Question 18. A city government decides to pave 2-kilometer stretch of road and runs through the commercial district, significantly increasing the market value of the adjacent properties. In other words, there is a plan to pave or to make or to make a construction or to construct a road which affects the commercial district, then affects also the market value of their properties. Now, to fund this improvement, the city imposes proportionate levy on lots bordering the newly paved road. The question is, which statement correctly identifies levy? So we need to find which statement is identifying or correctly identifying a levy. What levy is this? So basically, this is obviously a special assessment, right? Okay, first criteria of special assessment is one, there is a benefit on improvement. That's the underlying reason why there is a need to raise fund, okay? Because the subjects are benefiting with the improvement made by the government. And then there is a raise fund or tax impose or imposition. It's not really a tax. By the definition of the tax, you cannot call this as tax special assessment because this is not based of public purpose. This is based of some incidental benefits due to an improvement made by the government. So let's try to select one of these four choices, which one is representing special assessment and the correct the correct explanation that supports this levy or special assessment. A levy is a tax justifiable under benefits protection. There's no benefits protection. Because all the property owners receive general government protection. Okay, it's not a tax because one of the qualification of tax is it's for the general public purpose, and it is not levied based on improvements that is benefited or that are benefited by the subjects. The levy is a special assessment, which is a form of general tax that is only applied to specific locality. Okay, well, this might be correct, but the problem is it is a general tax, so it is not a tax. Again, revisiting the definition of a tax, it does not fall under the tax. Letter C. Okay, first of all, is the tax is not, again, let's try to remember that tax is not based on benefit received. This is not the source of the reason why the special assessment is imposed. Why the tax is imposed. The power of taxation is based on the sovereignty existence. The state is the existence of the state, so it's not based on the benefit received by the constituents. Letter C, the levy is a special assessment imposed because specific properties benefited. So here's special assessment imposed because specific properties benefited directly and locally. So these are specified subjects or constituents who benefited the imposition of the public improvement, which are also to be the subject of the special assessment. Okay, not again try I mean to clarify that this is not for general welfare of the entire taxing district. So we're not talking about here the general public. The only these are only selected properties or subjects that are to be to have to pay for the levy. It's not, and they are the one who also which are also benefiting for the improvement, not the public in general. Letter D, the levy is a tax, so this is wrong because obviously that is not a tax. It is enforced contribution. Yes, that's qualified. From property. Yes, and any tax may be collected for public works like road. Yes, but that is a special assessment. Okay, but here it's called tax, so that what makes it wrong. So among the choices, if we try to review, only set letter C is has passed the correct identification, which is special assessment, and the explanations that support that type of levy.